Hey, I'm Cannabis Ken, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Sorry for the lighting. It's kind of morning, so the lighting is not the best. Anyways, I'm checking in because I'm doing an edible video. I have myself here a 300 milligram edible. I'm gonna eat half of this and then check back in a couple hours, tell you how it's going. If I have to eat more, I'll eat more. So I'm going down about 150 milligrams. I ate half one of these yesterday. Hit me really nice. So I'm suspecting I'm only going to need half today, but it is a crunch bar. There's half of it. There's the other half. Tastes pretty much just like a crunch bar, but with a little bit of weed taste. Not bad. I've had stronger taste and I've had weaker tasting. Pretty good though. Cheers. Still got half left. We'll check back in like 2 hours. Peace.